Today guys, I show you how to change Facebook name fast and easy. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. When you open your Facebook today like me, the same way is on your phone. Move in right corner and go on settings and privacy, click on it and go here on settings. Move here left, you will see account center, click on it and go here on your profile, click on it. You will see here name, choose this and you will see here your first name and last name. Just type here your first name and last name and save this. You can change it again for 60 days. I can change my name right now because of these 60 days. And that's it all guys for this video, how to change Facebook name fast and easy. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.